Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create an animated character or avatar in Adobe Express. So this feature is useful for making simple educational videos, presentations, and social media content using your own voice. So first, open up your browser and go to Adobe Express, sign into your Adobe account to access the available tools. So once you're on the home page, look at the panel on the left side, find the quick action section, then click view all to see more options. And then scroll through the tools until you find animate characters. Click it to open the character creator. And then you'll now see different character designs, and then browse through the choices and select the avatar that fits the type of videos that you want to create. And after choosing a character, click background from the toolbar, and then you can select a background that matches your content, or you can skip this step if you prefer a simple design. Next, open the size option and choose the correct format for your video depending on where you plan to share it. So when everything is ready, click the record button and then start speaking, and then Adobe Express will automatically animate the character using your recorded voice. So once you've finished recording, click done and wait while the animation is processing. So after the animation is ready, you can download it immediately or open it in the Adobe Express editor to add text, graphics, or other changes. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.